Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today for this video I have Anurag again on my channel, and those who are new to my channel and don't know, he's Anurag, he's my husband, and we are here for a very interesting challenge this time. So those who haven't watched our first video yet, I'm gonna link it here so you can check. So those who follow me on Instagram, they know that I have posted a story on Instagram where I told you all that February is our birthday month. So there will be two videos this month. On 1st February, which is Anurag's birthday, I'll post one video, and on 11th February, that's my birthday date, I will post another video then. So talking about this video, we are going to play a very fun challenge, which is Would You Rather. This is like trending these days. So yeah, I have some questions of my own, but I received 12 or 13 questions from you guys also. So I'm going to read all these questions and we will answer that. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first question is for Anurag, and it is, would you rather travel alone or not travel at all?
You have to think about this. No, like I'm okay with traveling alone. Serious?
मतलब ठीक है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है, मतलब you want to travel alone.
I can.
Okay.
Or else I have to stay at home again for so many times.
Okay.
That doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
If we are going together, that's the best.
No, you just have two options: travel alone or not travel at all.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. So next question is for me. Would you rather live without makeup or without Anurag? So like there is nothing to think on. I would definitely choose my makeup. I was kidding. The question was live without makeup or without Anurag. I'll choose live without makeup because if he would be with me,
There's no
he'll-
need of makeup. No, there's no need of makeup.
no, there is need of makeup, but you'll get me again, no? So next question is again for me. Would you rather lose all your selfies or lose all your pictures with Anurag? Okay, so definitely I can lose my selfies because I have so many good memories with you. Like we visited Switzerland. I don't think we are going there again. Then we had Paris. Then we had our marriage. So yeah, I can't afford to lose those memories.
Right.
But yeah, makeup look I can create any time,
Okay.
any day. So yes, I would prefer to lose my selfies rather than my pictures with you. So next question is like a random question for both of us. Would you rather watch Netflix and chill or go out on a romantic date? First you answer.
I don't like watching Netflix alone or like not even at home. I'm fed up with it. In past 6 months watching Netflix
Yeah.
again and again. So I would
Exactly.
be rather going even on Maggie date outside. I have no problem.
Yeah,
with
we both love that kind of date, you know, Maggie date. So yeah, we'll go on a romantic date. Yeah, same for me as well.
anything like we are going out, that's fine.
That's fun. Okay, so next question is for you. Would you rather wake up early and spend time with your partner or get up late and enjoy your day alone?
No
It's
way.
for you.
Just now I told you, I cannot stay at home. I have to go out.
उठा ले रे देवा उठा ले रे बाबा
No, it is not like that. Wake up early and spend time with your partner. It is like
Yeah, we
just
do.
spend
We have
time
so
with
many
your
talks.
partner.
We
Okay.
have so many talks with different topics. So
Yeah,
And-
he's my
and-
chugli partner. We do a lot of chugli together. Just like two typical aunties.
anyway, I would be having that.
Matlab, we are so talented together in doing chuglis that we can pick one person and talk for about. We are just like we talk for 2 hours, like talking about the same person.
Exactly.
So yeah.
We can do that.
Yes, that's our favorite time pass. So next question is again for both of us. Go on a fun date or be given an expensive gift?
See, expensive gifts sometimes are much better to get or give. I mean, because I like giving also
Yeah.
rather than getting.
Yeah. So you choose expensive gift rather than a fun date.
Yes.
Okay. But I choose fun date I'm not that materialistic, you know. Okay, so next question is again for both. Live without internet or without your partner. That's rubbish. That's rubbish.
Right? Rubbish.
Live without internet or without your partner. Like, this is rubbish.
Both are necessity.
Okay, then you answer, because for me this question is rubbish. Now you answer, without internet or without me.
I can't live without both. See, my work is on internet.
Whatever, you have to pick one.
Okay, I'll carry on with the studies and then with the wife. Then there is no need of internet. But,
Pressure में आ गए.
but
No, I'm not.
मेरा
I'm not dominating.
मेरा जवाब तो फिर वही था. इंटरनेट चाहिए. चाहिए इंटरनेट.
Rubbish. No, I want you. No internet. Moving on to next question. Lose the ability to lie or believe everything you are told. Now, understand. That's a very good question. So, what would you
It's
choose?
like a cat question.
What would you choose? Lose the ability to lie or believe everything you are told?
Lose the ability
To lie.
of
Yeah,
course,
same for me as
better
well.
know. I have to make the things.
Yeah, it's for me as well. Like, yeah, believe everything you are told. Like, I have trust
Oh.
issues,
Of course.
so I can't believe anyone, you know. So, yeah, for me also, lose the ability to lie. Okay, next question is, that's a very good question. Eat shit that tasted like chocolate or eat chocolate that tasted like crap.
Chocolate, which tastes like a crap. Because at least I know now I am
That you
eating
are
chocolate.
eating chocolate,
Then
yeah,
I get to know
exactly.
it would have been expired or it would have
The
been
taste is
something
bad.
that.
Whatever, but yeah, same. Matlab, like, I can't pick anyone's shit and eat. Like,
Just imagine.
shut up. No,
That
I
looks like a chocolate. It does like a chocolate.
shut up. Alright, now next question is for both of us. Experience the beginning of planet Earth or end of it?
Very nice thought about it.
Yes.
I'm just thinking if I would have been at that place, how it would be an experience.
Yeah.
And something is ending, it's like a 2012 movie.
Exactly. Like, I too can't face that phase. You know, even we were not able to take that lockdown thing. Then how we would able to take
Right.
that much, you know, destruction and
So,
you know,
I
so
don't
many
think
things.
so that would be an experience, because experience is when you carry those moments or those things
Exactly,
with you.
when you
So it
learn
won't be-
something
yeah.
from it.
I
So
don't think so that would be any experience,
yes,
destruction.
in fact, I'm very keen to know what would be the life when the Earth, you know,
Just
just started, when the life started there. So for me, it is like I want to
Exactly. Being
experience the
science-
beginning
being
of.
science students, like
Yeah.
it always be.
Yeah, we both are like science lovers, and yes, for me it is like beginning of planet Earth. So next question is would you rather have 3 kids and no money, or no kid with $3 million?
Of course, no good.
With $3 million, exactly. Like, I'm not very much fond of kids. Like, I love kids, but it is not
Some
like.
others.
Yeah, I'm doing a video like this. I'm doing a video like this. Lalla ke saath. So
Oh yeah, I would like to choose like no kid with $3 million.
Of course.
Yeah.
I can manage with 2 also.
2 million. Exactly, I could manage with $1 million. At least give. Next question is, would you rather speak all languages or speak to animals?
I'm at other side. Like speak all language.
You want to speak all language rather than speaking to animals, okay? But I would like to speak to animals, and you know
I know
that.
that. Zoo
I
lover.
love animals. I'm a zoo lover, so
matlab, I would like to talk to a lizard. Like, why are you always behind me? Why are you always behind me? Wherever I go, I can see you there on the wall. I can see you there lying on the floor. So yeah.
Like they are at their place, they stay happy, and I'm at my place. I should stay happy.
I would love to talk to animals. Would you rather wear same socks for a month or same underwear for a week?
Socks, 2 months.
Exactly, like can't wear a underwear another day as
I
well.
can't,
Like,
I can't.
yeah, for me as well. So I'll manage with the socks thing. Yeah. Would you rather have a third nipple or an extra dick?
This question for whom?
For both of us.
Like how I can get a third? Or how can
You
get
already have two, no?
in that case, one is enough.
So you so you would like to have third nipple, okay?
Of course.
Okay, so
It's like
I'll go for dick then. Extra, what does it mean? I don't have any, na? So I can manage with one. I'll have both.
So next question is, would you rather use someone else's dirty underwear or use toothbrush? Like someone else dirty underwear or someone else toothbrush? What would you choose?
we'll see. I don't have any preference among both, but still,
You have to choose one.
if I have to choose only one, then dirty underwear would be fine because anyhow after wearing that I can again take a bath. But someone else brush I cannot take in my mouth. Blah.
Yeah.
See that one you're taking inside, one stayed outside. Manageable.
Nice. Still, yeah, there is a lot of chances of getting infection, but it is with
Wow.
both of things.
Wow.
But I can't do with someone else dirty underwear.
You can take toothbrush.
I'll do. See,
How people eat? Have you ever
See.
seen like?
no, I don't know, and
I don't want to go there.
I don't want to go there. I'll use and then I'll do mouthwash. But I can't.
I
do
can't
dirty
take.
underwear.
Okay, I'll wear it and I'll take a bath again.
Yeah, whatever. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching us together, and we will be back one more video on 11th February, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.